Hello, this is Kenneth Burton with Real Estate Photographer Pro, and I want to talk about cloudy days and rainy days can be the best days for real estate photography. Might be a challenge for video, but a cloudy day is the best day for real estate photography. And I wanted to show you some examples. That's me, Kenneth Purdom, but we're going to talk about cloudy days, sky replacement, rainy days, and show you some opportunities that real estate Photographer Pro can provide for you. If you are worried about rainy days, it's not a problem. About 2 times a year, usually one day in the spring, one day in the fall, it'll rain all day and it's a rain out. Usually it only rains for about 15 minutes. So rainy day is not a problem. A cloudy day can be the best day for photography because we do free blue sky replacement on every photo shoot. So we always make sure you've got blue skies and white clouds. And I will show you some photos that we did just yesterday. We had, I think, 5 photo shoots yesterday. This is just one. It was a cloudy day. And so we shoot brackets, which means we take 3 photos. But there were no beautiful clouds yesterday. But when we edited the photos, let's go right here to the edits. There's the same photo. Before, after, before, after. So you can see we go through replace the sky, brighten up the house. We can do grass replacement. This yard did not need it, nor did the agent want it and did not order it. But we can do grass replacement. There's the same photo. Let's just go paste the page through here, see if we can find that. Here's some of the inside photos. They're kind of dark, they're yellow. We also do what we call color right technology. And let me show you what that is. So when you go to the inside photos, the color is accurate and perfect. The roof is white, or I should say the ceiling is white. The walls are the right colors. The trim is white. And when you go back right here, that's kind of what they, in post, this is what we're doing. We're cleaning all of that up. So that's one of the photos from that room. And then once we get done, it looks something like this. You can see how it's bright, it's clean, it's presentable. We can do fire in the fireplace, but this was an empty home, so we did not do fire in the fireplace. We can do TV screen replacement. We can do virtual staging, and we do real virtual staging. It's not AI virtual staging. It's real people putting real furniture in the room virtually when we are editing the photos. So it's a little bit, you have more choices doing it that way, and you have a higher end product. So you can see the whites are whites, the blues are blues, the trim is white, the outside, the window pulls, everything's crisp and clean. This is what we call color right technology, and we do free sky replacement. So if you are interested in turning a rainy day or a cloudy day into a beautiful day, go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, click book a photo shoot, and then pick your category. We've got residential, commercial, short-term rentals, aerial, drone only, or if you've got a creative idea, you can just go to the request a quote and we will take care of that for you. But let's go to residential. You go right here. You put in the address of your project, the square footage, or at least something close, because that will filter the shopping cart. And then you can go down and see all of our choices. We have 3 different price points. We have a marketing package, photos with drone and floor plan, color right technology. And then we have an essentials package, which is kind of a basic package, $149 there. And then you can do video add-ons, you can do drone add-ons, you can do floor plan add-ons. And then we have listing boosters. So you can add all of these items on, 1 or 2 of these items on, to help boost your property. And we have Zillow 3D tours. You can come back if you did not order the marketing package originally. You can come back and we can add that to the order. We call it agent Listing Launchpad. It is all of your marketing materials bundled up for every social media platform, and we give you hundreds of social media posts, websites, and weekly reports to show you how your listing is doing. You can do next morning rush. You don't need to do next day because next day is free with us. But if you need to do a guaranteed next morning rush, we can handle that. All right. Check out Real Estate Photographer Pro when you have time. We look forward to working with you. This is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro. Take care.